Welcome to Bible at Work. Midnight. Garden of Gethsemane. The Son of God is on the ground, sweating blood. Not tears, blood. The weight of every sin, every shame, every scream you've ever screamed, is crushing him. And in that moment he prays the most powerful prayer in history. Tonight we're stepping inside that prayer. Because what happened between "take this cup" and "not my will" is the exact blueprint you need to crush your own anxiety, fear, and midnight agony. Gethsemane Secrets, the power behind Jesus' final prayer. The crushing weight. Jesus takes Peter, James, and John deeper into the olive grove. He tells them, "My soul is overwhelmed with sorrow, to the point of death." Luke 22:44 records the unthinkable. His sweat was like drops of blood falling to the ground. Medical science calls it hematohydrosis, tiny capillaries bursting under extreme stress. But this wasn't just stress. This was the moment the sinless Son of God felt the full, crushing weight of every rape, every murder, every betrayal, every lie, yours and mine, all at once. He wasn't afraid of nails. He was afraid of becoming sin itself. The raw plea, 3 times. He falls on his face and prays the most honest prayer ever spoken: "Father, if it is possible, let this cup pass from me." He comes back. The disciples are sleeping. Second time, same words. Third time, something shifts. He still says, "Let this cup pass," but then adds the most powerful 5 words in human history: "Yet not as I will, but as you will." That comma changed eternity. From paralyzing dread to divine resolve in one breath of obedience. The psychological shift, the secret framework. Here's the secret no one talks about. Jesus didn't go from dread to resolve by pretending the pain wasn't real. He went there by radical honesty plus total surrender. Your 4-step Gethsemane framework. Write this down. Name the cup. Stop spiritualizing your anxiety. Say it out loud. "Father, this diagnosis, this betrayal, this addiction, this fear is crushing me." Jesus did. Bleed in prayer, get alone. Be brutally honest. Sweat if you have to. God is not offended by your rawness. Drop the comma. Move from "take this from me" to "yet not my will." That tiny phrase is where anxiety dies and peace is born. Receive the angel. After surrender, strength always comes. An angel strengthened Jesus. Your strength is coming too. Your midnight moment. You have a Gethsemane right now. Maybe it's 3 a.m. panic attacks. Maybe it's the marriage hanging by a thread. Maybe it's the secret shame you're carrying. Jesus already walked that garden so you don't have to walk it alone. He sweated blood, so you don't have to. He surrendered so you can. Right now, pause this video. Put your hand on your chest and pray the Gethsemane prayer out loud. "Father, if possible, let this cup pass. Yet not my will, but yours be done." Feel the shift. That's the power behind the prayer. The cross was only possible because of Gethsemane. Your breakthrough is only possible because of surrender. If this hit you, smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. We're going deeper into Holy Week. Every week. Drop your biggest takeaway in the comments. And remember, the same power that raised Jesus from Gethsemane is alive in you right now.